So we start out today's video with a curly haircut transformation. It looks like she might be getting a pixie. Oh, I love the way that her natural texture looks with this. Oh, she pretty much ended up getting like a mullet. Wow, this is so cute. Very nice transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of haircut ideas, transformations, and options that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous bob makeover. I love the color with her bob, so pretty. So next up we have a cut and color transformation. I really like the Stylist hair. She has like this really bold neon. Such a unique color. And then it looks like she did more of like a shaggy pixie style. Very popular right now. Very cute. And this is a nice way to modernize the pixie. And then we do move on to another pixie bob variation. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. And this one has a really nice asymmetrical shape. This is really pretty. And then we have another pixie haircut. This pixie is more of like the classic pixie style, bit of an asymmetrical look. Beautiful face framing bangs, gorgeous. And I really like her hair color as well. She's got like salt and pepper in the back and then blonde in the front. And then we have a gorgeous bob haircut transformation. And even though I haven't seen the end results, I know it's going to be beautiful because this stylist does amazing bob haircuts. Then we have another bob by Chris Jones Hair. He is also known for his bobs as well. And with the method that he is using, he is adding a lot of volume there in the crown portion of the hair. Look at that, amazing. And then we move into this pixie haircut refresh. So she already had a pixie, but the stylist is just kind of cutting her a little bit shorter, trimming her down. Nice spiky texture with this one. Beautiful choppy layers. Alright you guys, so if you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.